Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Chaitanya, and in today's video, guys, we are going to talk about e-commerce documentation. Okay, so what does it mean, guys? Here, the topic of today's video is going to be about the video series I have created on e-commerce. And in today's scenario, we are going to talk about when you set up any event in e-commerce, you also have to send some extra parameters with it. Okay, so what does this mean, guys? Here you can currently see the events view item, list view item, purchase, checkout, add to cart. With this, it is compulsory to send some extra parameters. Here, we will look at the Google Analytics documentation, which is the best. There is some documentation from Google Analytics that contains some parameters, so package meta ads, meaning Facebook ads also has some documentation with parameters. If you look at TikTok or Snapchat or any platform where you are running ads, they have some parameters. What it means is, guys, if you are sending a purchase event through browser side GTM, then that platform also needs some extra parameters. So for that platform, to do ads attribution, many things are correctly, this gets implemented, and they understand that if we run a campaign for 1 rupee and received 5 rupees, then we got this much ROI, meaning we got an X ROI. We can do such calculations here, guys. So that's why every platform has mentioned here that when you send some events, you should also send some parameters with them. Okay, so guys, this video is going to be very important today, so make sure to watch it till the end. Okay, on the most important thing, friends, is that I have already created 2 videos on this. In those 2 videos, I have covered the basic understanding of e-commerce. I will add the URL of those videos in my description box. Don't worry. So first go watch that video and then come to this part 3 video. Otherwise, you won't understand anything here, guys. Okay, so what I do here, guys, is you need to come to this page. What you need to do is go to Google and just search for GA for e-commerce recommended event on Google, and you will Google here, this URL has brought you to developer.googleanalytics. Okay, and after this case, what you need to do is, let me tell you something important. When you come to this page, such a page will open. Okay, so you need to scroll down. Here, what you need to do, guys, is there's a tag manager here. You need to select this tag because, guys, when you open a website, the first thing here is this G tag. The documentation regarding that opens. Okay, so we don't need to look at GTag. We need to look at Google Tag Manager. Okay, so here I click on Google Tag Manager. I had clicked on GTag. Now I click back on Tag Manager for you. Okay, and once we click on Tag Manager, we come to the documentation. Okay, so guys, here now, here, update, see view item, list view item, add to cart, checkout, purchase. Okay, here guys, I will not cover all the documentation for you. What I will do in this is explain view item and purchase, which are important for us, so you will get a very good and clear understanding. And here, look, there are properties. If we want to see view item, then what I do here is click on view item. When you click on view item, it will automatically redirect you to a page. Okay. Here, guys, see the view item event comes up. Okay, so whether it's Google or any platform, guys, right now we are understanding the documentation of Google Analytics 4. So what does Google Analytics say, guys? When you set up e-commerce with view item, you need to see this. This event signifies just some content was shown to the user. You use this event to discover the most popular items. Okay, so what they are saying is, if you're showing event A, then what values with event A? What values do you need to send? Okay, here they have mentioned what parameters you need to send. Currency in string, yes, correct, exactly, yes, it is required. Look here, guys, you see some things are compulsory, yes, and you are sending a currency, okay, meaning here your USD is there, INR is there if you are in Europe. If you are running an ad in a European country or setting up for a European client, then euro comes in. So there are many currencies and you must send a compulsorily. Okay. After that, value, exactly, guys. Value means what? Value comes in numbers. Value means your
Here, RS1, R2, RS3, whatever your product amount is called value. And here are items. Okay, what are items, guys? It's an array. Look, they have mentioned everything correctly here. What is included in items? So here, if you look at the array of items, the item for event means if you open the array of items here, see what Google says in the items parameter, meaning in this item parameter, what you can send extra parameters here. So look at this item ID. This item name means the name of your product. That is appellation, meaning if you want to send the store's name, you can send that too. If you are providing a coupon code, you can also send the coupon code, and then say here there are multiple parameters like discount index, item brand, item category, see category 2, 3, 4, 5. See here, meaning how deep down you can parameter. Okay, so guys, here how it works is if your website is created on custom coding, meaning your PHP Laravel created on a custom coding solution, then you can create this type of data layer by telling the developer. But what happens in this is, guys, you have to create the data layer that is important for your e-commerce event. So here, see what Google has explained to you a lot. Look here, you can see location ID, price, quantity, all these things Google has easily explained to you here. Here too, you just need to explain this to the developer, okay? But how will you explain it? Now look here, it seems visible on the surface, but as you scroll a little down, see here, Google has clearly mentioned its configuration, okay? So here, guys, you can see the data layer is being pushed, okay? In this data layer, all these events occur. Here, see what the name of the event is, guys. View item is the event. And here, see what e-commerce Google is saying, that if you make each thing a variable, meaning a particular variable, then what will you have to do? You will have to create many variables here. You see in items, meaning in items, but Google has suggested a shortcut here saying that you should send the currency value in the parameter. Okay, you have created two variables, but they are saying that with items, you can send as many parameters as you can. Okay, you will send it, it will work. You created it, your developer set all the parameters. But what Google is saying is, look here. In e-commerce, okay, in e-commerce, you are seeing the currency value and you are seeing the array of items. What are you saying in the array? In the array, it included all those parameters we just saw above, guys. Those ones, it included them all in a single array of items, okay? So what will be the advantage of this, guys? Look here, if we start creating a variable for each parameter of the items, it will take a lot of time, meaning the work we are doing in 10 minutes, if you create a data layer variable for each one, it will consume a lot more time. So what did Google say for this? Create the currency value for e-commerce and include all parameters in items. So what will be the advantage? You just set a data layer variable for the e-commerce item here and send that value with the GA4 view item. So what will happen here, guys, if your developer created this entire data layer like this? The advantage will be that you will get all the parameters at once. If you have created the data layer variable e-commerce.item, then what will happen is you have put all these objects, all these variables inside an array. So what will happen? All the information will be sent at once, guys. Okay, so you get this advantage, and that's why, guys, many people follow the Google Analytics 4 documentation. Why? Because Candida, guys, today it is also easy for understanding. Okay, guys, I know you might be watching this video and feeling very confused, but as soon as we move forward and set up GA4 practically, you will easily understand all these things, okay? So here, see, I did the view item. Now here I am doing the purchase. In purchase, what happens is we have to send many important parameters, okay? Here, let's come to the purchase event. Here, I also do the purchase. So in the purchase, guys, the same currency value has to be sent. Here, see, we need to send the customer type now because it wasn't there before. A few days ago, Google introduced all this. Kya? Customer type means whether your customer is old or new, meaning old or new. Here, if it's new, it will automatically go as new. If it's returning, returning means that your old customer came back to your website and purchased the product again. That's called returning. Okay. Here, कैसे शर्त की? Look at the transaction ID coupon. If you are providing a promo code, then coupon, shipping info tax, and item tax are sometimes calculated, guys. Meaning, if you are applying tax on a product, then all these things are calculated. Okay, so here, what extra parameter will increase? We saw in view item that we were sending the currency value. What extra parameter increases here is to customer type, transaction ID, coupon code. If you are providing a coupon code, meaning a promo code, then you can send the promo code. If not, there is no need for it. Shipping, meaning if you are doing an international transaction, that is international transport, then shipping will come regarding this. If you are doing it at a national level, meaning you are doing it within your country, then maybe you won't apply shipping charges. Maybe that could be the case, or it may differ from business to business. Tax is there, guys. Sometimes tax is applied to some products and not to others. And items, I just explained items to you, all these things, okay? Here, what I do is come down once, guys. Look, and let's check the purchase once, okay? See what happens in purchase. Right? Show the purchase event is pushed. Along with that, see what it says in e-commerce. Send the transaction ID, send the value tag, shipping info. If you are giving a coupon code, then coupon code. If not, then not. If it is possible for you to track customer type, whether new or returning, then send that too. And in the items array, see here, it is telling you everything, meaning what you did, how much product you took, and see here, quantity and everything is covered there, guys. Okay. If we go a little further up here, you will understand this configuration like this, guys. Okay. So guys, don't worry. I know in today's video, you might have been a little confused about what I explained and what I didn't. But when we do the practical, meaning when I set up a view item, purchase event, begin checkout, all these events on e-commerce one by one, you will easily understand all these things, guys. Okay. So don't worry about that. Okay. So guys, in today's video, what e-commerce documentation is, that was the topic of today's video. And I have explained all those things to you properly in today's video. Okay. So I hope, friends, if you like this video, then please like the video. If you are new to my channel, guys, don't forget to subscribe. In the upcoming parts, I am going to bring a lot of videos for you so you don't miss anything. That's why I am requesting you to subscribe to the channel. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, goodbye, take care, tata.